That tastes so good. Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Norma. In today's video I wanted to show you how I make an achiote marinated chicken breast. And you're probably wondering, what is achiote? And achiote is a paste of different spices that is usually used in different dishes throughout Mexico, such as cochinita pibil, the meat for tacos al pastor. Sometimes it's also used for michiotes, and I'm not sure if some of those sound at all familiar to you, but those are some of the dishes throughout Mexico that the achiote paste is used for. So the way that I will be making the chicken today is I will be using the achiote in a liquid form, or I will be turning it into a liquid form because it comes as a paste. And I will be dissolving it with different citrus juices, and then I will be marinating my chicken in that liquid. Also, I will be grilling it in an iron skillet. If you don't have an iron skillet, you can use a non-stick pan if that's all that you have available, or if you have like a griddle or something similar or resembling an iron skillet, that's the way that I will be making it. I will be cutting the chicken breast more thinly so that it cooks more thoroughly and quicker and more evenly. So if you are interested in learning how I make this dish, let's go ahead and get started with the ingredients. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, the equivalent of 3 tablespoons of lime juice, the equivalent of 3 tablespoons of orange juice, or to taste if you'd like to add more, 1 minced garlic clove, 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of the achiote paste. The achiote paste can be found in a Hispanic market or in the international or Hispanic aisle in your local supermarket. 1/2 teaspoon of coarse crushed black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay, and now to make the actual marinade, we will be adding in the salt, crushed pepper, the lime juice, the orange juice, and the minced garlic. And now we're gonna give it a little bit of a whisk to mix everything together. And we'll set this aside while we cut our chicken. So now that our chicken is cut up, we are going to pour our marinade onto the chicken and let it marinate for 5 to 10 minutes or more, depending how long you want to let it marinate. I like to make sure that all the pieces are evenly covered with the marinade. Preheat the skillet to medium-high heat and add in about 2 teaspoons of oil. The oil should be hot after about 30 seconds or so. Now you can add in your chicken breast. Leave them to cook for about 4 minutes on the medium-high heat, and then flip them over and cook them for another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. Okay, so here I have already turned, as you can see, the chicken, and it has already been 4 minutes on each side, so we're just going to get them off of the skillet and put them on another plate, and we're going to let them rest for about 4 to 5 minutes before we cut into them. Let's cut a piece off of one of these and see what it tastes like. Oh my god. That tastes so good.
Am I making you sorry?
This is one of my favorite seasonings. But my husband said that this time it came out better than all the other times. Okay, so just a few things. When you are cooking in a cast iron or just in any kind of skillet and you're using the oil on a high heat, be careful because the oil will splatter when you place the chicken on the hot surface. So just a tip, because it hurts when you get burned without oil. And you can serve that now with whatever side you want to pair it with. We served it with rice today and corn, and then you can just squeeze a little lime on top of it and add some salsa on the side. I hope you liked my recipe for the achiote marinated chicken breast, and I hope that you try it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to keep following me as I show you how to make certain recipes, and share this video if you think someone would like a video like this and a recipe like this one. Alright, adios. Thanks for watching. What are you doing?
YouTube channel.
Just uploaded. You should.
I'm not even gonna talk.
You just dance.